I see them.
What's up, brother? You made it.
I did.
We were like 2 seconds. I was like, you know what? I don't know where it is.
I was just like, the map, I don't have the phone mount. So I was following my Apple Watch, so I was just like going around. Hi, how you doing, man?
Like,
Fezzy. Hey, nice to meet you, Fezzy. How you doing?
Y'all gonna have to take it easy on us, alright?
Yeah, for real.
I know you're fast.
Oh, okay.
No, we're gonna chill.
How you doing, man?
Hey, what's
How you
up,
doing?
Paul, man? Nice to meet you.
Fezzy. Nice to meet you, man.
How you doing? Nice to meet you, Peter.
Send it, and then we wait. Send it, we wait.
Yeah, I'm
R1.
You guys could hit it. I'm gonna stay with him, man.
R1. Oh, those are beautiful motorcycles.
I didn't really know how to take it. I might turn out of the fence. Okay.
No. Alright, I'm just gonna follow them. I have no idea where we are going. Hopefully I have enough fuel.
It's gonna be nice and chill. You know where we're going over here? And the bridge?
No, I'm just gonna follow you.
In the back and follow everybody?
Yeah, I'm just gonna follow you guys. Alright. Go ahead. This is the first time I'm riding in a group. I have ridden with my buddy before once, like it was like a 5 minutes ride when I got the bike. But now he has shoulder surgery, so I haven't been able to ride with him after that. Let's see. Celebrities you see that come and get houses in Florida, these are all the houses that they have right on the beach, on the water. Some are here, some in Orlando, some in Miami. Damn, I need to come here more. It's beautiful. I never really noticed. Oh, by the way, so that guy in white helmet, that's Jack. He's the leader. He organized these rides and stuff. Man, he is the guy I was in contact with. He has an R7 that I was telling you about. Is that an R6? Yes, that is an R6. that's also an R7. Oh wait, that's Jack's R7. Wait, that's what I was like. So this R7, the R7 that the girl is riding, maybe that's his girlfriend. I'm gonna ask them like about their bikes and like everything once we stop. This is the bridge that connects, I guess this connects St. Pete with Tampa. Something like just few years ago, and even as a kid, I used to see all these bikers passing by when I would be on the road in the car, or maybe like just in my house. I would see them just passing by and I'm like, damn, they're so lucky. I wish I could do that. And like right now I'm really in the group, I'm part of it, like, you know. It's you never know, guys. You never know. You never know what life has in plan for you, what God has in books for you. You never know. That was fun. that's an R6 or one. I can't really tell, but it sounds so good. Oh, the M4 sound good on R7.